nagarepresentar sa lungsod nga malambuon ug abunda sa klase-klaseng kahayupan sa kadagatan. Isda Festival, Municipality of Madridejos. The municipality of Madridejos is known as the Little Alaska of the Philippines because of its abundance of marine products. We have so many ways of catching fishes, and my costume is inspired by one of those practices. This is a traditional fish trap, locally known as the bubo. It is cylindrical and made with bamboo strips. It has a narrow entrance that makes it easy for the fishes to enter, but hard for them to escape. This is natural and safe for the environment. And until now, Lawisanons still use it as a way to catch fishes. Ako mapasigar po mo mag-ingon. Dayan ka mo sa Madridejos, sa Isda Festival. Bay tara, magsugba, magkilaw, magtuwa, mag-unon kita. Viva Isda Festival! Viva Immaculada Concepcion!
O karon sa natong